back to Amy's Gluten-Free Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to create chocolate crackles. That's a recipe that's created by Donna Hay, who's one of my favourite chefs. Today I'm going to create it because I'm a really huge fan of her. So the ingredients for this episode, there are 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of honey, 1/2 cup of coconut, 2 cups of brown puffed rice, and 60 grams of unsalted butter. So, as you can see here, what I've done is put the patty cases into the muffin tin. So the first step is to go up to the oven and preheat to 160 degrees. What you do now is you put the puffed rice and the coconut onto a baking tray, put it in the oven for 8 minutes until it's a golden colour. Make sure if there's any leftovers hanging out in the bowl, make sure you do this. Make sure that you smooth it out. Lots. And when you smooth, and until it's really smooth and it's spreaded all around, what you're going to do is put it in the oven for 8 minutes until it's a beautiful goldenish colour. Now, since the baking tray is in the oven, we're going to put all the leftover ingredients into this saucepan. So, what you're going to do is with your butter, you're going to put it in the saucepan, followed by the vanilla extract. If there's any left behind, make sure you use it up wisely. 1, and make sure here's a tip for you. You should use your finger to get it out. There it is. Okay, so now we're going to do the second block. Ooh, sweet. Next, what you're going to do is put in the honey and make sure that the cocoa powder is the last ingredient to go in. Ooh, yeah. Make sure all the honey gets out. You can use the spatula and scrape all of the sticky blob, which is honey, out. Ah! Okay, since now we managed to get our honey in, we're going to sift this cocoa powder. Alright. Now we're going to try and sift it. So now what you're going to do is take this saucepan all the way down. Okay, so now what we're going to do is you mix it gently until the butter is all melted. The things that were in the baking tray into this bowl. Now we just need to put this in there. So So now we're going to mix this mixture together. So this is the mixture over here, which it would look like after you've been stirring it for like a couple of seconds or minutes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fill them up into these cases here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to like get a spoon. We're going to move that over. We're going to do this here. We're going to scoop up some mixture. Ooh. And make sure if you use mini ones, make sure you don't put that much in, okay? Keep on doing it until you've used up every single bit of mixture. Or if you have some leftovers, you could maybe put it in the you could put them in a bag and use them for when next time you could eat them. Now we have finished filling these things up. You go to the fridge, you put it in there for 30 minutes until they're ready to eat.